Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi, if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I wore this week in an OOTW, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can get notified the next time I upload, and let's just get right into the video. On Monday, I wore my Monday t-shirt from Shein with some ripped up skinny jeans from Abercrombie & Finch and my blue denim Jack Rogers. This t-shirt is seriously so fun and you can only really wear it on Monday. And I have on some Lily and Laura bracelets and my Daniel Wellington watch. On Tuesday, I wore probably my new favorite outfit. I love the colors of this. So I just have on these green sandals that I got from JCREW. I have on some JCREW pink chino shorts and this really fun striped Lacoste t-shirt with the same yellow and pink bracelets and my Kate Spade watch. On Wednesday, I wore this really colorful outfit. I've noticed wearing a lot of colorful clothes makes me stay very positive. My Jack Rogers are just platinum. I have pink shorts from Southern Shirt Company, and then I have my monogram necklace with this VINEYARD Vines t-shirt, my everyday bangles, and my everyday watch, which you guys can see in my most recent video. I will insert a card. And then on Thursday, it was a little chillier, so I wore this white cream sweater from Shein with these jean shorts, which are from Shein as well, and my sandals that I picked up when I was in France. Such a cute, simple, transitional outfit with my Kate Spade watch, and then my simple little Lomeno bracelet. And today's outfit, Friday, is probably my all-time fave. It's a simple monogram t-shirt with some blue chino shorts from JCREW and then my France sandals, and I have my little Kelly name tag necklace on, my Kate Spade watch, and my Lily and Laura bracelets. It's just a really fun outfit to wear. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I wore this week. Let me know in the comments down below which outfit was your favorite, and also hit that subscribe button in case you guys are new to my channel. That way you can get notified the next time I upload, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys!